Okay guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to use InVideo to generate a 10 to 20 minute long form faceless YouTube video. Everything here is gonna be step by step how to. All this image you're seeing on my screen right now, they are all generated using AI. They are not real. If you look down closely very well, you see that they are AI image generated. So I'm going to be showing you using InVideo right now. If you want to get your hand on InVideo, I'm going to have a link down below this video that can get you started with InVideo right now, that you can get started and start using InVideo. Without further ado, let's get started. But before I get started, make sure you like this video, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. And that's it, man. You can see all these awesome images that I created using AI. So let's get started right now. So here we are inside InVideo. You already know the way to sign up, just the same way you've been signing up with all your social media. In the same way, once you click the link, you just sign up, put your name and everything. So there is a lot of things you can do with this InVideo AI video generator right now, and I'm going to be doing a lot of videos, so you want to subscribe to this video right now. So let's get started right now. So you can see here we have right now, we're about to create our video. So this is where you're going to paste your prompt to the video, and this is very cool, man, because you can. So this is the prompt I just pasted right now. I use ChatGPT to generate this prompt, and I just give it a whole lot of details. If you want this prompt that I put here right now, just go down in the comment section below and say, hey Tubeless, give me this prompt. I want this prompt because this prompt is going to generate you, because I already put the details of the kind of voice over I want to generate the video, how many minutes I want the video to be, how long I want the video, and everything, the kind of person I want to say the video. All those details are already in this prompt. So once I put this prompt right now, it's just going to go directly and go and generate me 10 to 20 minute video right now that is monetized. I'm also going to be showing you my monetized channel in this video, so that you can see the monetized channel that I've been generating with this AI faceless YouTube video. So you can see that these videos are actually monetized video that you can start creating right now. So that's all I'm gonna. So let me show you all of these features that are in this InVideo right now. So you can see create a UGC video. UGC video just basically means video that advertise products. That's what it means by UGC. Instead of you going to pay a freelancer to help you promote your product, market, talk about the product and all that, basically you can use AI to talk about your product and then go and share the video anywhere on social media that you want to share the video. Let me show you one of the UGC video that they created. So you can see this video you're seeing here right now. This one is basically created with by the InVideo themselves. Look at this product. This is AI generated. This video that is marketing this cream that you're seeing there right here. So these are the things that this AI can do for you, as simple as that. So this one is a short, create a short video. This one is make a video, and this one is also use my script. You can just basically do a lot of things. You can use your script. You can let InVideo also generate a script for you like that. So here I just give InVideo prompt, and I generate the prompt using ChatGPT. So here they are right now. This is their workflow. Basically what this means is these are the templates that they already have right now for you to use. All these templates have been done for you. They have our template with UGC, they have explainer video, they have short videos, they have all kinds of videos. Yeah, I'm trying to type in health if they have an health template, but that's not coming up. So you can see all the templates they have. You can see UGC ad is basically, this one can help you create an ad for your product. This is short video, this is explainer video, this is another UGC my script. This one is basically you use your script to generate the UGC. This one is animated video. This one is news video. Some of these news AI video that you're seeing doing very well on YouTube right now, some of them are actually done by this InVideo AI, and I'm going to be showing you some of those video right in this YouTube channel. So this one, blog to video, you can basically just copy a link to a blog or a link to a website and just paste it here, and you're going to turn that link into a video for you. Look at how cool that is, man. That means if you have been a blogger for years and you've been blogging, you've been writing about your blog, and you just want to turn that blog into a video, this is going to help you do it. That's the power of InVideo right now. I see a lot of workflow that they have right here. A bunch of them. They have a lot of UGC, because UGC is really killing it right now. Because basically what this means is you can just go and take a link to any Amazon product, paste that link right here, and it's going to convert that link into a video for you. And when you go ahead and post that link, that video that this InVideo AI generated for you, and when people watch that video, they love the product that you promote, that you review, and they're going to click the link and go buy the product. That's how you make money, and that is called affiliate marketing, using Amazon Associates to do that. So they also have integrated Shopify right here, which means you can also take a link from Shopify, put it right here, and it's going to turn that product into a video for you. A whole lot, man. InVideo is just so awesome, so amazing right now. So we're just going to go ahead and generate a video right now, so you can see how amazing this video is going to look right now, guys. I tell you, this is what's amazing for you, man. You're going to see how great. So here is going to tell us, it's going to still give us some feature that we need to put in our videos. Is analyzing the script right now, the script that is going to generate for us. We just want to understand our script. So here right now is asking us, he has created two plans for us, plan 1 and plan 2. You can see that all by itself. Say 10-minute stock footage documentary with female voice. That's what I asked it to do. So it's telling me this is what it's going to generate for me right now. So basically, so he's doing all of these things right now, giving me option. He said YouTube 16:9, which is the YouTube format. That's what I want to create. Then down below is giving us history. It's giving us option to know what exactly the type of video is going to make for us right here. So these are all the things you're seeing on my screen right now. You just basically just choose the one that fits your preferences. That's what you're going to choose, right? Yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now, to choose the one that will fit type of videos, type of audience, the age range of the audience, and the people that I want to create this video for. Can't you see how awesome this is, man, guys? You can also choose the format of the video you want. So that's the plan 1. Then the plan 2, also check the plan 2 to see how the plan 2 also is going to work. So you can modify this right here by clicking the modify plan right there, so you can change things around. If what InVideo generated for you right here, if it does not fit into your own listing, you can regenerate it and write your own thing what you want. So let's continue right here. So here he's still saying he's about to generate our video right now. So he's prompting us to click on more things that he needed to go ahead and generate our video for us. But I tell you, this video is going to be amazing, man. This video is going to be mind-blowing. So just go ahead and click continue, and we wait for our video. So while our video is about to generate right now, you're going to see this video come up